Hello everyone, this is Salman Ali Jafri and here's a quick 3-minute breakdown of the State Bank of Pakistan's latest monetary policy announcement released on July 30th, 2025. In a move that surprised many market participants, the State Bank has decided to maintain the policy rate at 11%, continuing the pause that began in June. This decision comes despite earlier expectations of a 50 basis point cut, driven by calls from the industrial sector for more accommodative monetary conditions. The SBP's Monetary Policy Committee cited emerging inflationary risks, particularly from energy price adjustments, as the main reason for holding rates steady. Inflation, which had eased to 3.2% in June, is now expected to rise moderately in the coming months due to higher gas tariffs and volatile global oil prices. On the growth front, the SBP noted that economic activity is gaining traction. Real GDP growth for FY25 is provisionally estimated at 2.7%, with expectations for further improvement in FY26, supported by earlier rate cuts and a rebound in the industrial and services sectors. However, the external sector remains a concern. The trade deficit has widened and the current account remains balanced for now. The SBP emphasized the importance of timely foreign inflows and fiscal consolidation to maintain macroeconomic stability. Let's compare this with earlier policy decisions in 2025. Between April 24 and May 2025, the SBP aggressively cut the policy rate from 22% to 11%, citing a sharp decline in inflation and the need to stimulate growth. However, since June, the central bank has adopted a more cautious stance, reflecting a shift in policy focus from growth to price stability and external sector risks. CIBOR rates have also remained relatively stable, with only marginal declines across most tenors, indicating that the market has largely priced in the SBP's current stance. In summary, the SBP is walking a tightrope, balancing the need to support growth while guarding against inflation and external vulnerabilities. The next few months will be critical in determining whether this pause continues or gives way to further easing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insights.